economic exploitation with increased school dropouts.
According to the Uganda National Household Survey report of 2016-17, 2,048,000 out of the 8,973,000 children aged between 5 to 17 years were engaged in child labor. The ministry has conducted several talk shows across the country in sensitizing the public on the dangers of child labor and its impact on their communities. Training of labor officers, our labor officers from across the country have been trained to identify child labor in all forms and address it.
We know the acts of labor very, very clear and precise. The Employment Act of 2006, Section 32(1) is very clear and still operational, that a child under the age of 12 years shall not be employed in any business undertaking or work for payment.
We as Ministry of Gender, Labour and Social Development shall make sure we strengthen the labour officers who are in local government.